One of the best tips I can give on how to read price action, how to read trend, is figuring out where the market is consolidating. So I'm going to break it down today on a 5-minute chart for you guys. I'm going to show you guys the trade that I took, and I'm going to show you guys why this is one of the best ways to read price action. It can help you get in and out of trades. But before we start, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. Please share it with someone. Also, this is financial education only, guys. There is risk in trading the market. So let's break it down. Today, how did I read the market? Why was I taking certain trades? So I took a short right here. And obviously, I took a short and things started to change on me. And I had to take my profits here, which was also the bottom. I should have reversed my position and got this long off. But why did the market bounce here? Right here, let me just mark this. Why did the market bounce right here, and why did it drop right here? And these are quick scalps, obviously, but I want to show you guys why this happened. So to me, and also another position that I took, forgot about this one, a long right here. Why did we bounce right here? So I'm going to mark this out for you just so you guys can see. And as you can see, these were all pretty top tick, bottom tick entries. All of my entries were really good today. They just happened to be really good. So these were the ones I took. I saw this one, did not take this one. Should have taken it. It would have been an easy trade, but I was not able to take that trade. So I was taking profits at that level though. So why were these all spots the market bounced? And I want to show you guys this because this is something, it's just so good, right? So we had this big boom in pre-market. Obviously, this was on, I believe, CPI. It was on news. I believe it's CPI. I could be wrong. But it was on news. I was prepared. 7:30 came out. 8:30 Eastern time came out, and rocket ship up, right? So what I am looking for is wherever that area that we rocket shipped, pretty much that we exploded from, that's where I want to test back. And that's, as you can see, right here. And it's also a little top too. If you look, this candle, this candle, this candle, a little top right here. We come back into it. This is where I got long. Immediately sold into it. It's just, as soon as I saw these wicks, I really wanted the explosion back up into this area up here, honestly. This box up here, but we didn't get it. We kept wicking, and that's when I sold. A little bit of profit, just a quick scalp. But as you can see, that is why, to me, this is the last consolidation zone, last zone. If you really look at it, there was no consolidation in these areas. We were just ripping up the whole time pretty much. So this area I knew was probably going to give a good bounce in my eyes, and that's where I took the trade, and that's where I was able to take profits pretty quickly. But as you see, just wicked it, and we were able to go. But the next zone I want to talk about, the next trade that I took today, and also the same concept I want to show you guys. So let me clear this one out for you guys so you guys aren't looking at it anymore. Here's the next zone, right? As you guys can see, this is the next zone of interest, a consolidation zone. We pop into that zone over here. As you can see, we pop back into it from the big dumps, pretty much very close to the big dump candle, very close. You see, as you can see, the wick, and we get a big dump down. Once we get that big dump down, where did we go? From the last trend almost. So these two wicks right here, let me just show you guys. Here's this consolidation zone, just these three candles going sideways. Here's this consolidation zone. We go right into it. Then we dump into this area, which is where I took profits, and then we rip. And also we had a little top right here. This is a little more advanced, guys. I probably can't explain all of it in this short video. We have this top, stops are above it. We're probably going to blow through it, stop everyone out, and then dump. As you see, this is exactly what happened. Where did we go? Right to the consolidation zone. And then we end the day a little bit just up and then sideways. So that's how I took these trades. But as you can see, we went right into this consolidation zone. We wicked it and we dumped. We went into this consolidation zone. And if you even look over here, I'm going to show you guys another thing right here. Where's the consolidation zone? I didn't take this trade, but look what happens. Consolidation zone, rip up, we get the dump, we come back up, right into the consolidation zone. And then we go right to this consolidation zone. Right? So it's just constantly, that's just how the market is trading. In my eyes, I think this is just a great way to see the market structure. Obviously, there's much more in trading. You can't just be doing this, because some days, what if the market is trading like this all day? Let me circle this for you guys. If the market is trading like this all day, this one that I just highlighted, it's going to be impossible to trade what I'm saying, because it's just not. So you have to kind of use your head a little bit in trading. That's why trading's so hard, because you can't just be super just. It's not black and white. There's a little bit of gray area that you have to kind of mesh well. You kind of got to be on the move. Like, for example, this trade I took right here, I wanted new lows, but once I took the trade, I kind of realized, hey, the trend might be changing. We broke this pivot high. We might be trending upwards now. And as you see, once we got this big dump into here, that's when I kind of realized, oh crap, this area is also like a consolidation zone that we will get a bounce. And I should have reversed my position. I just took profits, honestly. I already had 2 good trades. I just wanted to end the day. I was here a little bit later than I wanted to be. So that's just kind of, guys, how I read it, how I'm reading the markets, how I read price action. Just look for those consolidation zones in my eyes. Look for where the trend is going. As you can see, we're trending lower, so I want to get short. Here we break the pivot high. Now I might be interested in going long. You see this consolidation zone, we go right into it, right from where the market, in a sense, ripped. These green candles, we're kind of reclaiming those levels. Not reclaiming, but we're retesting those levels, just kind of like how this big air pocket, we retest it, we get that little short-term bounce. So guys, if you like this content, please like the video, please subscribe, please share this with someone. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and always manage risk.